Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be showing you the new and approved Lonnie and Flower House. I'm here with Val.
Let's go.
Alright, ready for the show off? In 3, 2, 1, go! So you're immediately starting with our 2 rooms. This is Lonnie's room. Don't ask why there's a picture of Deku there.
And one right there.
Alright, now we're going to show Flower's room. The story of why they have a brand new house will be explained in the next episode. So here's her living room. They did not have the living room in the original house. Also, here is his Lonnie and Flower's kitchen. And the bathroom will be shown later.
I added all these little things in here, guys. All by myself. It took very long, but my best friend was here to help.
Yeah, I helped. I did a little bit of the living room.
And he did all his room.
Yeah, I'm the one who decorated my room. Val added this little carpet. I used to have a circle one.
And I also changed this photo. It was a different one before.
Oh, so Val, let's show Flower's room.
Oh wait, we already did.
We did. I don't remember doing it.
We did after we showed your room at the first.
Alright, well, the bathroom's going to be a little surprise. I'm going to show you the angle that sometimes the bathroom will show. It'll sometimes show from this angle. Sometimes from this angle. So, you'll see the bathroom in a later episode. But, yeah, this was the new and approved Lonnie and Flower House. Stay tuned for the new episode coming next. Bye! I have to change my avatar.